multi-tool that combines all of our favorite features into an ultra-low profile tool that we call the Titanium Pocket Tool. This new tool is made from aerospace grade 5 titanium alloy. Despite its minimal name and appearance, this new pocket tool is extremely versatile and lets us do more and carry less.
Hi Kickstarters, I'm Joe.
I'm Chadwick.
We're excited to be back here with our newest project, the Titanium.
It's a cool multi-tool that combines our favorite tools in one, and it doesn't take hardly any space in your pocket. Thanks for checking it out.
Introducing Tread, the first multi-tool that lets you be the one who gets it done, anywhere. Tread is 25 hard-working tools you wear on your wrist, including Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, hex and box wrenches, even a cutting hook and a bottle opener. So regardless of the job, the right tool is always at hand. Tread features 11 interchangeable links, each crafted from injection-molded 17-4 stainless steel. There's an optional Swiss-made timepiece, water-resistant to 200 meters, with a shock-resistant sapphire crystal. And it all comes with a choice of 2 rugged finishes. Tread, the go-to, go-anywhere tool from Leatherman, the original American multi-tool.
Fasteners, bolts, screws, clamps, all of your outdoor gear has them. And as your gear has become ever lighter, ever more high-tech, made from carbon, titanium, aluminum, we've moved ever closer to the limits of these fasteners and the materials they're used on. Meet T-Ratchet and Tie Torque, the first multi-configurable, portable tool system with high-precision torque measurement, designed for use with your high-performance gear. The solution for lightweight portable torque is called Tie Torque, a 5% accurate titanium torsion beam, calibrated with 2, 4, 6, and 8 Nm easy-read scale. Simply insert the bit required by your fastener and tighten until the arrow aligns with the desired torque value. It's that easy. Tie torque even allows for fast and easy step torquing with multifaceted features such as stem faceplates, which up until now have only been possible either with digital torque wrenches costing hundreds of dollars or by using multiple click-type torque tools, the sum of which also cost hundreds of dollars. One of the most critical aspects of proper torque control is position of the tool during the tightening. After looking at all possible options for using the tie torque, we couldn't decide between our two favorite designs, a ratchet or a T-handle. So we decided to do both. The T-ratchet is the first ratcheting T-handle that magnetically transforms into the world's most ergonomic mini-ratchet. The T-handle allows for fast turning during early installation and tightening to lower torque settings. In less than a second, the T-handle turns into a higher torque-capable ratchet with stabilizing thumb control. By adding a thumb stabilization point on the ratchet, the user maintains tool position much more accurately, eliminating rounded or damaged screw heads so common on traditional mini and multi-tools. We even developed our own forged hardened steel 72-tooth ratcheting mechanism, which has up to twice the engagement of other small ratchets, making it significantly more effective in tight spaces with limited access. If you're like us, you love and trust your gear as much as you love the adventure it allows. Together, we can better optimize and protect your gear. Please become a backer and help us build tools that are beautiful, lightweight, amazing to use, and also improve the safety and longevity of all your high-performance gear.
Hi, my name is Tony Zentil. I'm from Laguna Beach, California. I grew up skateboarding, surfing, and snowboarding. Then later on I got into riding bikes and dirt bikes too. Keeping everything tuned up is a crazy challenge. I got a bunch of tools in the garage, summer shop tools, summer tools that I travel with that I just throw in the bag. I started having ideas on how to make these tools better. I started making some prototypes, and what I found was that something that worked well for a skateboard tool could also work well for a snowboard tool, so there was another detail that might work well on a bike tool. And what I found was that I wasn't just making one tool, I was kind of making different tools for action sports, which then kind of really just morphed into this idea for a new brand. I have a snowboard tool I'm calling the powder pliers. It's got a number 3 Phillips for mounting your bindings, a number 2 Phillips, a slotted screwdriver, and a 4mm for your binding hardware. There's box wrenches for replacement binding bolts. There's a removable sleeve that you can use on the number 3 Phillips to lock it at 90 degrees, which is killer for getting some extra torque on your bindings. There's also an edge file if you need to do some on-mountain file work, which is kind of nice if you need to do an emergency tune. Eero Ettila is a Winter X Games gold medalist. He's riding for Fix and super stoked on the tool. We have a system we're calling the all-time belt, and it keeps the tool always within reach. I also have a skate tool I'm calling the board sword. There's a number 2 Phillips, a slotted screwdriver, and an 1/8" hex bit for your deck hardware. There's even a file to score grip when you're building a new board, so that's great if you're on the road traveling or you're away from your garage. The sleeve has a safety blade to cut your grip, a 9/16 wrench for your truck, and a 3/8" wrench for your deck bolts. The wheel wrench has a nice little bend in it so you can get into deep wheel wells, which is kind of nice. Steve Caballero is a skateboarding legend, and we're stoked to have him on the team. Cab also rides motos and mountain bikes. He works on custom cars and custom bikes, so he's always in need of killer tools. I have a bike tool called the wheelie wrench. It's 16 tools in one, and it's also one of the most compact tools on the market. You got all your metric hex bit sizes, torques, and of course slotted in Phillips. There's spoke wrenches, you got a tire lever, a couple box wrenches, There's also a 15mm open-ended wrench, which is great for most BMX axles. Mike Hucker is a top pro BMX rider. He's pretty tough on his bike and he's back in the wheelie wrench. Hucker totally sends it. Look at how nice the wheelie wrench fits in his 5-pocket pants, and notice that all the tools fit in the all-time belt. Oh, and check.